Good morning. Today we will see structure in C language. What is structure means? Structure is a user defined data type. It can access different data types at a time. So how we can say it can access means C array can access only similar. Integer means it can access only the integers. Float means it can access only the float values. But structure can access different data types. How we can say means see this syntax. Struct is the keyword, then structure name we need to be defined, and we can define different data types. For example, I'm going to take student means student contain student id, student name, then automatically you can go for student marks. Whatever it is, we can check with this program. See this hash include stdio dot. Then I need to write struct is the keyword, student is the structure name. In between, I need to define employee int id. Then student have a name, that means char name of I'm taking 23. Then float I'm going to take why, because I need to take average. For example, I need to show that another data type. Then close this. Here I'm giving s1 is the variable. This can access the reference to access all these things. Then you can go for the main method. This is the main function in the C language. How to access it? So extend the variable or store the variable. Store. How to store it means what is the reference variable? S1 dot id equal to I'm taking as a 1 to 1. Then s1 dot second one is character. While writing the character, you need to type this inbuilt or predefined function str string copy s1 dot name s1 dot name comma I'm taking an as a Rajesh. Second thing we finish. Then third one is float value. How to take the float value means directly we can take the float value. How it is? S1 dot avj equal to avj equal to 45.6. Finally, I'm going to print. I'm displaying the all the details. Printf the student id is a integer. Then I'm taking as a percentage of d comma where it is storing s1 dot id. Second thing, printf. One second. Printf student name is see I'm taking as a percentage of s. If it is wrong, I can change this. How I can write? S1 dot name, then printf student average. This is a very basic program, percentage of f slash n double quotation close s1 dot avj. Close the program and write the get ch, save the program and alt F9. There is no errors. Control F9. See this student ID is 1 to 1. Student name is Rajesh. Then how to find the size of this structure means type printf the size is percentage of the size will in what I can say, it is in a integer comma type size of is the method where the all the variables will store s1. Close, save the program F2, Alt F9, no errors, Control F9. See, the size is 29. How it will be calculated means identify it is a 23. 23. ID is three numbers 26. Average is how I give 45. 26 plus 3 29. How it be showing? The size is 29. This is the way we can identify the size of the structure also. So if you have any doubts, just give me a comment. Thank you and have a nice day.